How's it going, everybody? I'm Matt.
And I'm Carissa, and we're with the Koch Garpstas Realty Group.
And today we're hanging out at our new listing, 28 West Strawberry Street in downtown Lancaster City, Pennsylvania.
Welcome to your future home in Lancaster City, Pennsylvania, where modern comfort meets urban convenience. Nestled in a prime location, this newly renovated 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath residence offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and proximity to the heart of Lancaster City's vibrant culture and attractions. Inside, you'll find a tastefully updated interior with all the modern amenities you desire, from a spacious living area to a fully equipped kitchen. Natural light floods the open spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere.
But the true allure of this home lies in its unbeatable location. Just steps away from your front door, Lancaster City awaits with its rich history, bustling markets, and cultural landmarks such as the famous Central Market, the Fulton Theatre, the Lancaster Museum of Arts, and the 300 block of North Queen Street, which offers clothing, shops, and specialty items, all made by passionate local makers.
Whether you're indulging in the culinary delights at Central Market, taking in a show at the Fulton Theatre, or exploring the art galleries and unique shops, Lancaster City offers an enriching lifestyle right at your doorstep. This renovated home is not just a place to live, it's a getaway to a vibrant lifestyle in Lancaster City. Don't miss your chance to be part of this dynamic community. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our new listing, and if you are interested in setting up a showing, or if you're interested in moving to Lancaster, Pennsylvania, reach out to our team.
Like, subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel for all things living in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.